Hi guys, this is Phil, the Windows Medic. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the importance of the Windows Update. If this is something that you have been wondering about, this video is for you. Software updates provide new and improved functionality while addressing existing issues such as bugs and crashes. And with antivirus updates, the developers often continue to improve their products to keep you safe from new viruses and malware. As for hardware, updates to your RAM or hard drive, for example, help to improve your overall computing experience. Better overall PC performance. Updates are one of the most important parts of sustaining performance. Out-of-date software and hardware isn't always prepared to handle complex tasks, particularly newer tasks related to products and services introduced after their initial release. With that in mind, it's important to incorporate updates as part of your regular PC maintenance. Most of the points we'll cover tie back to upkeep and preventative measures, which are designed to help avoid problems. That leads to better performance and a smoother user experience day to day with less downtime. More robust passive and active security. When you think about keeping your PC's security features up to date, you may be considering any antivirus and spyware protection software on your device. However, the same benefits of updates apply to other software and hardware because they're often related to maintaining protection through the life of a device or component. When kept current, your software and hardware are much less vulnerable to tampering and hacks. So with that being said, let's go ahead and learn how the user can go about updating his Windows computer system. First thing we're going to do is we're going to come right over here to the far left on the bottom here. We're going to click on the icon that reads Start. Once we click on that, it gives you this box, and you'll see right here in the middle where it reads Settings. We just want to click on that box that reads Settings. Once we've gotten to this box, we're going to go up here on the far right-hand corner, and we're going to click on where it reads Windows Update. And when we click on that, it brings you to the Windows Update page. Mine is showing currently that it is up to date. If you've not been here in a period of time, we're going to want to come right over here to the right side where it reads Check for Updates. We'll go ahead and click on that. Once we're clicking on that, the Windows program is now checking with the servers to see if you have the most recent update to your machine. As it showed before we started checking for updates, we already knew that it had the updates. If you don't have this message that comes up, it's going to give you an option that shows you the Windows update and you know all of the particulars about that Windows update. Once you get to that notification, then we're going to click on an area that reads Download and Install Updates. Once you've clicked on Download and Install Updates, the Windows Update program then downloads that program from the server. It downloads the update files from the server onto your machine, and once the download is complete, we then will go ahead and click on Install Update. Once you've clicked on Install Update, it's automatic. It goes ahead and downloads and installs that update for you, and you're ready to go. If this YouTube recording has been helpful to you and it's been something you've been interested in learning to annually update your Windows operating system, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you on the next recording. Have a sparkling day.